In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in Trade W. Now, the first thing you have to do here, of course, you want to sign into your account, and then I'm going to go to Trading, top left, and click on Web Trader. This is where you can then go ahead and buy and sell. So here, you first want to select whatever symbol you want to trade. On the left-hand side here, you can see a bunch of different things. I'm going to swap over to crypto and do some Solana USDT for this tutorial here on my demo account. Of course, you can be on the real account or the demo account. It's completely up to you what you want to do and what you want to buy and sell and essentially trade. So here you can see your chart, you can do some technical analysis, and whenever you're ready to buy and sell, you can go to the right hand side here and first select which type of order you want to do. So you could do either a market order or a limit order. Basically, a limit order is where you can select a limit price, and that basically means that at that price you'll be able to initiate your order, whether that's buy or sell. So I'm gonna go with a market order right now, which doesn't have this, but will instead just buy at the current market price. I'm gonna click on market order and then sell or buy. So if you click on the buy button, for example, you can then put in the amount of lots you want to buy. I'm gonna do 0.05, and then you can also set take profits and stop losses if you want to, and then when you're ready you can just click on the buy button and then confirm, or of course click on the sell button and then confirm, and both will go through. Now here you'll be able to see your currently open positions, your pending orders, and then your history as well, and then you can basically track your P&Ls, you can see your open time, etc., and you can just click on where it says operate, and whenever you're ready to actually close the position, click this X button, press confirm, and as you can see, my positions are now being closed. So that's how you actually buy and sell in Trade W. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.